welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about JDK. So we will see what is JDK, what does it contain and how to install it. So let's get started. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is mainly used for creating Java applications. Since it is meant for development, it includes several tools that help in writing, compiling and debugging Java programs. After a Java program is written and compiled, it needs to be executed. For running Java programs, we need the Java runtime environment. Moreover, JDK is required only for developers who write and build Java programs. It includes tools like Javac, which is a Java compiler, Java doc, Jar, which is used to package Java classes into Java files, JShell. From Java 11 onwards, Oracle provides JDK under different licensing models, and many free alternatives exist like OpenJDK, Amazon Corretto, and Adoptive. JDK is platform specific, meaning different JDKs are available for Windows, Linux, and macOS. So now we will see what is JRE. For running Java programs, we need the Java runtime environment. The JRE includes a collection of Java class libraries along with the Java virtual machine. JRE is meant for end users. It allows users to run Java applications without writing code. From Java 9 onwards, JRE is no longer available as a separate download. It comes as part of the JDK. JRE does not include development tools like Javac. It mainly focuses on providing core Java libraries, supporting files required during execution. So this was all about JRE. Now let's see what is JVM. JVM is an important component of JRE and cannot exist separately from it. The JVM is responsible for actually running Java programs. JVM is platform dependent, but Java programs are platform independent because of bytecode. And we will see what is bytecode in our future videos, how Java program is converted into bytecode and all. JVM performs several important tasks like loads class files, verifies bytecode for security, converts bytecode to machine code using just-in-time compiler, JIT compiler. So it's a part of the JVM that improves the performance of Java programs. Normally, Java code is compiled into bytecode and the JVM interprets this bytecode line by line, so the interpretation is slower. To make execution faster, JVM uses the JIT compiler. And moreover, it manages memory using garbage collection. JVM divides memory into areas like heap, stack, method area, PC register. So if we look at the complete process, there are two main stages: developing a Java program and executing it. Development requires tools provided by the JDK, while execution depends on the JVM, which is part of the JRE. Java programs run inside the JRE and are executed by the JVM. So same has been written here. JDK used to develop Java programs, JRE used to run Java programs. JVM actually executes the bytecode. Let's take a real world analogy. Like we can say that JDK is a kitchen with cooking tools which are used by the chef. JRE is a dining area setup and JVM is a chef who actually cooks the food. So I hope you got the idea behind JDK, JRE and JVM. Now let's see how to install JDK. If we type here download JDK and go for the first option, here we can see that Java 25 is the latest release. So we can install JDK. If we are using Linux, then depending on your architecture you can choose any of the option. And if you are using Mac OS, then if you have the latest chip, then go for the DMG installer. If you're using Windows, then go for this option. Okay, so in my case I'm using Mac OS, so I will choose this option and click on it, and it will be downloaded. After downloading it, just open it and click on the options, continue, continue, and install it. So it will be installed on your systems. So now let's check if it is installed or not. Open terminal or command prompt if you are using Windows. So here we can type Java C. We saw that Java C is a compiler. So we will see if our compiler has been installed or not. Yeah, it is installed. I installed 21 version. You can go for 25. I'm comfortable with 21, so I'll continue with 21 JDK. And now let's see if our runtime environment, which is JVM, has been installed or not, which comes along with the JDK only. So yeah, it has been installed. So I hope you got the concept about JDK, JRE, and in the case if you got the concept, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.